Okay, real talk. Have you ever watched one of those hydraulic press videos where something just explodes under pressure and you genuinely cannot stop watching? Those videos are pulling in millions of views right now, on YouTube Shorts, on Reels, everywhere. And here's the wild part. You don't need an actual hydraulic press, a fancy camera, or even to leave your house. I'm going to show you exactly how to make these videos using AI, and honestly, almost nobody is talking about this method yet. The first thing you need is a master prompt, and I've already built it for you. The link is right in the description below, or if you want me to send it to you directly, just drop a comment that says hydraulic press prompt and I'll get it to you. Once you have it, paste it into Google Docs and open it up. You'll notice there is a marked enter. Put whatever object you want to feature in your video as your only placeholder, like a watermelon, and that's it. Your prompt is completely ready to go. Now, open Google Flow and create a new project. Now, copy that prompt, paste it into your AI video tool, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for that vertical short format, and hit generate. In just a few seconds, you'll have a high-quality, satisfying crush video with zero mess and zero cleanup. Here's a tip that'll make your final video way better though. Don't stop at just one clip. Run the process again with 3 or 4 different objects like oranges, apples, or a soda can, and download all of them. Variety is genuinely what keeps people watching all the way to the end. Once you have your clips, open any video editing app. CapCut, VN, or even your phone's built-in editor works perfectly fine. Import everything, line your clips up on the timeline, and start layering in transitions, effects, animations, and some punchy background music to bring that satisfying crunch energy to life. When you're happy with how it looks, export in the highest quality available, and your video is completely ready to upload. Honestly, this whole process takes maybe 20 minutes once you've done it once, and the results look incredible. If you found this useful, drop a comment below telling me what you want me to create next. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one.